Hello everybody. In this video, I will be discussing about true solution, solubility, then types of solution based upon solubility, that is saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solution, and we will also study about the concentration of a solution. So first, let's start up with true solution. Depending upon the size of solute, solutions can be true solution, colloids and suspension. This we have discussed in the previous video also. True solution is a homogeneous mixture when two or more substances are dissolved together. Here the size of particles is very small and thus the solute cannot be separated by filtration. In case of colloids in suspension, the size of the solute is comparatively bigger and therefore they scatter the light. Scattering of light is a phenomena of Tyndall effect. Let's study what actually Tyndall effect is. When a beam of light is passed through solution, a colloid and a suspension, then you can see through the solution the light is not passing, but it can be seen in case of colloids and suspension because the size of particles, the size of solute in colloid and suspension is comparatively bigger than that of solution, which help in scattering of the light, and this scattering of light by the particles of solute is called Tyndall effect. So with this activity, we can infer that Tyndall effect is shown by colloids and suspension and true solution do not show Tyndall effect. So now we will be dealing in detail about true solution. As I have told you earlier also, it is a homogeneous mixture and here the size of the solute is less than 10 raised to the power minus 9 meters, means the size is very small. Let us discuss some of the important characteristics of true solution. Generally, true solution is clear and transparent. They do not show Tyndall effect and the particles are not settling down because the particles are very small in size and components cannot be separated again because the size of the solute is very small. After true solution, we will be discussing about solubility and concentration. And in the next video, we will be dealing with suspension and colloids because in your book, the sequence is this only. So let's start up with solubility. Solubility is actually the property of solute to dissolve in a given solvent to form a solution. If you have to calculate that how much solute can be dissolved in a particular amount of solvent, it can be calculated by the formula mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. We can get more information about this by solving a numerical. Suppose mass of solute is 136 gram and mass of solvent given is 500 gram. So solubility will be 136 upon 500 into 100, which will be 27.2 grams. Now factors which affect solubility are temperature. As we increase the temperature of the solvent, the solubility of a solute increases. But there is an exception. In case of gaseous solute, they dissolve less in hotter solvent than in cold liquid solvents. Second factor is pressure. Pressure do not affect solubility of most of the solute, but it do affects the solubility of gaseous solutes. They dissolve more quickly at a higher pressure liquids than at low pressure. Now depending upon the solubility, solution can be unsaturated, saturated and supersaturated. A unsaturated solution is formed when the amount of solute contained in a solution is less than its saturation level. Then the solution is said to be unsaturated. A saturated solution is one which at a given temperature dissolves much solute as it is capable of dissolving. Then the solution is saturated. Supersaturated solution is the one which contain more of the solute than the required to make a saturated solution. In supersaturated solution, you can see the formation of crystals take place. Now we will study about concentration of a solution. Concentration of the substance is the quantity of solute present in a given quantity of solution. In solubility, it was solute that was getting dissolved in solvent. Here is the solute that is present in given quantity of solution. Concentration can be found in different ways. In this chapter, we will be studying 3 ways to find the concentration. The general equation for percentage of solution remains same, that is equal to amount of solute upon amount of solution into 100. First way to find concentration is mass by mass percentage. Here the formula is mass of solute, that will be written at the top, and in denominator it will be mass of solution. In case mass of solution is not given, mass of solvent is given, then mass of solution can be written as mass of solute plus mass of solvent into 100. Here both the things, the mass is given and then mass by mass percentage can be calculated. Second way is volume by volume. If both solute and solvent is liquid, then you will be calculating volume by volume percentage. Here it will be volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. The third one is mass by volume percent. Here, if suppose the solute is in solid state and it is given in grams and it is dissolved in a liquid and the volume is given in milliliters, then you will be applying this formula, gram of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So by using these 3 formulas, m by m, v by v and m by v percentage of a solution can be calculated. In the numericals, you need to see what has been asked and then the solution can be done. So this much for today. Please go through the slides once again. Thank you so much. Have a great day.